Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Coachmen Catalina Trailblazer. This is the 26TH. Really neat floor plan. The weight is right, the price is right. Very, very nice toy hauler that can be used and towed with most half-ton trucks today. So let me show you. Come on inside. So we have the entertainment center right here at the doorway when we walk in, the TV, the stereo system. As we pan around, we got the living area with nice swivel rocker chairs that are movable wherever we want. This is a non-slide floor plan, so it makes it very simple, very easy. You know, a lot less chance of things happening. Overhead cabinetry. Nice hardware, more cabinet and netting up here to keep your stuff from falling out. This is going to have the couch on this side that can fold up or fold down the same way this does on this side, with plenty of window to lighten it up inside. It's got the light colored interior. This will make into a large bed on the back end, or two sofas with a freestanding table that will go in between here and make it real nice and useful here, with the patio kit out the back end and the rear screen wall. Over here we have the kitchen area. That's a nice big double deep sink with sink covers, nice faucet with spray nozzle, overhead cabinetry, below cabinets with drawers with the built-in silverware drawer there. All the heat ducting is above floor, so it makes it nice. We have no ducts in the floor to collect the dirt and make it hard to keep clean, and blowing out that dust through the vents when the furnace comes on. Nice new Furrion cooktop. It's got the new 3-burner cooktop here and a nice oven. Overhead microwave with the overhead fan and lighting. Let me show you something here that these guys do that's not common in all trailers, but they actually put a metal fender well on the inside, so as we have a toy that we want to bring in that we need that width, we can roll our tires up on there and we're not crushing a wood fender well that we would find in most others, along with the tie downs that come clear forward. Moving forward in the trailer, we get into the bathroom with the sink, vanity, nice corner shower enclosure, more cabinet space here behind the toilet. Nice layout, works out real nice for a small lightweight toy hauler. Queen size bed. Overhead cabinetry on both sides, as well as hang-up closets on both sides of the bed. We have nightstands next to the bed on each side, as well as plug-in outlets on both sides of the bed. Storage underneath. Freestanding large table that I talked about that goes outside, or can go outside, or in between the couches in the rear for the dinette area. Metal fender wells. Nice set of tires and wheels. Got the exterior patio awning that's power, with the LED light strip that lights up underneath it. We have the exterior speaker system, plug-in outlets outside on the patio as well. Got the rear patio kit that's very easy to set up. Door comes down, very light. Rear screens pull out. Lock into place real simple. What'd that take us? About 30 seconds. Anyways, we got the gate out around the rear patio area, makes it real nice. Pre-wired for backup camera. We got the rear docking lights on the back end. Ventilation system for the inside. Got the tinted glass windows on the exterior. All of our hookups are all right here in an easy spot with the outside shower head holder above. Tank relief valve down below, real easy to get to with your low point drains, very accessible. Stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners with the power jack up front. Large propane tanks. Space here for 2 full-size batteries. And our metal rock guard protecting up front makes it very, very nice. The toy lock setup mounted to the frame as well. Makes it nice for locking up our toys at night if we don't want to put them inside the trailer. We got exterior storage that passes through underneath to the bed area, underneath the bed there. You know, very, very nice value here in this Catalina toy hauler, as well as a very low weight range, again to be towed with a 1/2 ton. So feel free to call me if you have any questions. You can call me direct at 541-979-1770. That's Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. I'd be happy to answer any questions or talk to you about any toy haulers we might have in stock. And just remember, I can't save you any money if you don't call me. So call me direct. Thank you and have a great day.